way, like all types of fun from a kid's point of view. Today we are doing something super duper exciting. We are doing the Lego Technic heavy duty forklift. It's from ages 9 to 16. They say I'm not old enough, but I'll be turning 9 this year, so I guess it counts. So this is the heavy duty forklift. So this is super duper cool and it's really, really big. It has 592 pieces. And guess what? The awesome part is that it's a 2-in-1. This came out recently. This is super duper interesting since it's a 2-in-1. It's 2 times the fun. Whoop whoop. And my brother, he loves these mechanical things. So I'm really excited for him to play with this when we're done. And I know you're asking yourself, what's the other part of this 2-in-1? Well, baboosh. It is the tow truck. 592 pieces for the same tow truck, which is super duper cool. So if you don't want the heavy duty forklift, you can get the tow truck, which is super duper awesome. Whoop whoop. Okay, so the forklift can go up and down, up and down. And for the tow truck, the thing that drops on the end of the long line at the back can actually drop down, which is super duper cool. The cool thing about Technique is that they actually work. Like these other Legos, they're usually meant to play with and they're not really a real thing, but these Lego Techniques are based on real life. Like a forklift is real, a tow truck is real, and it actually works, which is super duper cool. My brother excited. Are you? You're excited, aren't you? You're excited. Yeah, he's excited, all right. So guys, look at all the pieces for the forklift and the tow truck. It's a lot. So let's look at our parts and pieces. We got 2 manuals. We got the heavy duty forklift manual. This is what it looks like. And one has the tow truck manual. We got 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags, 5 bags, 6 bags. And we have 4 our stickers and our 4 rubbery wheels.
Can I feel them?
Yes. I have never, ever seen Lego.
Oh, this is bigger.
Uh-huh.
This is bigger than my head.
Not really. I've never seen Lego use these types of wheels. It's cool. So cool. Looks like I have. Hey guys. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It doesn't smell like normal rubber. Okay.
It smells like vinegar.
What? If it smelled like vinegar, I wouldn't want to buy it. But, so let's start building. I'm going to put these on the side. So, what do we want to build first? I think we're going to build the heavy duty forklift.
Next level. Next level.
duper long, but I am so happy that we finally finished building this. It was super duper hard. So, since we are finally done building this, we decided we weren't going to do the tow truck, sadly. I didn't want to take apart this wonderful, wonderful piece of Legos. And not today. Maybe another time when I get bored with it and I don't want to play with the forklift anymore, then I'll do the tow truck. But that'll be at some other time soon. So we will definitely do that. But this was super duper awesome. Let me show an example how to do this. Okay. So we have our test drive friend here, Andrea from the Heart Lake City Resort. Oh, hi friends. So I'm going to test this out for you. This is a little bit big for me. As you can see, even the light is bigger than me, but size doesn't matter here either. So let's go. If you're wondering what this is, poof, it is toxic slime. Do not touch it. I love this slime to play with, but here it's going to be toxic slime, so don't touch it. Okay, so first you get here in the wheel, and then you can steer it. And then, if you can see at the side here, this is where you put it down. Okay, so beep, 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 beep. And then you pick it up like that, and this. You push that little thingy over there, and then you start turning this way. If you want it to go like down, you turn it this way. But I'm turning it this way so it'll go up, so I can show you how it will be. Ren was super duper excited. He couldn't wait to play with this, right, Ren? He couldn't wait. He was so excited for this. This is for older kids, but I definitely still wanted this because it looked so cool, and my brother thought it was awesome. Even though it's not to 12, it doesn't matter here. And I'm turning 9 anyway, so who cares? So you spin it up, and then you spin it down. Woo! Woo! You can ride. You can see why she can go. Oh my goodness, her hair is falling off. So what you can do is you can put her through here. She's a little small, but she will still work. And then you turn this wheel. It actually turns. Considering I don't know what you would use to put in there, but I don't know. We'll figure that out some other time. But Run, look at all of this coolness. Okay.
That's
so,
like 100 pieces.
Do more than 100 pieces. Let me try something super duper hard. Okay, wait. Put it over here, and after this, I'm gonna let my brother play with it because I'm pretty sure he's waiting to play with this for a long time, right, Ronan? Did this take a long time? Yeah. So, okay. Let me move this forward so you can see. Okay. So drop it down. Beep 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 beep. Don't touch the toxic slime. Before the toxic slime falls, press the button, pull the lever thingy. Come on, let's go, people. We don't have all day to deliver this toxic slime to the slime toxic factory. Beep, 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 beep. You're welcome, Slime Factory. Oh, thank you for our slime. Have a wonderful day. Oh, you too. Okay, so I think when I lower this down, I'm going to let my brother totally play with it. Okay, so first let me show you around. So this is like the thingy that goes up and down. There's this little line that pulls it, and then you twist this orange little thing here. So it goes up, and then you can push it the other way. And then over here, these are the big wheels. These are really big wheels. This is like super big. And so this is a little light, and here's the seat. And let me also show you over here. I forgot what this does. What does this do? Oh, it turns the back wheels. Yeah, if you turn it. And then there's also these old engines. If you've seen one of the old movies, I think I've seen these old engines before, but they look super duper cool. They go up and down, up and down. They're like yellow little things. And so this is the nice back. This is the side of it. We've got our two sides of fenders. One fender has some not windshields, mirrors, and these is just some backlights. So this is what the back looks like. Okay, you might want to sit down, Renan. Okay, so I think it's time my brother plays with this. He's been definitely waiting. Here you go, all yours, but be very careful. This took a super duper long time. Like I said, half a day is a long time.
Yeah, it's super heavy.
Whoa, you might want to put it on the table. Come back, Renan. Come on. Hey, come on, let's play with it on the table so they can see it. Oh my goodness, he's so excited. Just started playing on the floor. So you stop playing with it. You start. Oh, you can play with it. So here, let's do an example so it's easy for you. Wait, we gotta turn it around so you can play with it. Good. And then, gotta twist it the other way. Yeah, that way. Twist it. Come on, twist it. Come on. You gotta put it up here. Twist. Come on, you can do it. Almost a little bit more. More. Yeah, and then you press this button. Very good. Runner knows how to operate this heavy forklift. High five. Yeah, it's awesome. If you're wondering why I have this, is because taking out those parts, you don't want to get anything wrong. You're going to have to take off all the pieces, so it scratched me. So this is very hard to build. That's why it took so much longer. Maybe it would take not a half a day if I didn't have to remove all those pieces. Because we did have some minor issues and major. But I'm not going to tell you what they are. But they got fixed, so I'm glad to see my brother happy and enjoying this toy. How many smiley faces would you give this, Renan? 4. 4? You can go as high as 5. 5 is the highest. How many smileys do you want to give it? 5. That means he likes it a lot. I'm gonna let him play with it. I would definitely say, fire! So I am super glad to see him playing with this. It's so awesome to finally have this built. Let my brother say something first.
I'm gonna go carry it with my wallet.
Okay, can I say something, please? Okay, so if you should definitely get these techniques. I've heard all of them are super duper awesome, and this is the first technique, and techniques are already looking so good and so cool. But I hope they don't take as long as they did for half a day. Not the small ones though, but there will be some more. Hopefully there will. I think we do have some on the sidelines that we're definitely going to be doing more techniques, not just friends and stuff, but now we are going to do the awesome techniques. They are super duper cool, and you guys should definitely get these techniques. They're awesome. You can find them at Walmart, I think, or Target. No, I think we found these at Target. Yeah, and you can get those there and on Amazon and every other place that you know there are. Or you could just go to the Lego store and
The Lego Land.
Yep. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep having fun in the sun.